I just want to show you how to remove the original Vauxhall Astra radio, and then you replace it with something like that. So I just want to go through the wires and explain to you what each one is and what color is each one. So this one here, I'm going to start from it. So that is the brown, which is the thick brown, which is the ground, and the CS plus, which is the yellow and white one. So yellow and white, that is if for example you would like to the radio to turns on automatically with the ignition. On top of the yellow and white there is the plus 12 volt, which is the thick red one, which is the basically give the power to the radio from the batteries. Above it CS minus, so this one we don't use it. That has something to do with the CS plus, just the ground of the CS plus. The top three ones are not really used. It's just for like the dimming of the light and things like that, for if you won't have a remote control for this. When we go to the left ones, those 8 left ones are the audio ones. So the first on the left, the plus ones are the where the audio the speaker out, and the one on the left of them are the ground of the speakers. The way how you can recognize them, so the top PR plus, which is a white, then you have under it yellow, then blue, then green. So those are like for the front and the rear. So that's the rear radio, front radio, and these are the as well the same, just left and right one. Okay, the rear right radio, front right radio, left front left one, and the rear left one. The ones next to them are they are the same colors, but you can see, for example, the RR minus, which is the ground. It's going to be brown with a line, white line. Under it is going to be brown again with a yellow line, then brown again with the blue line, and brown again with green line. So in those things, the brown means the ground, so the same as the thick one here. Okay, the first thing to do before you start doing any work, that you don't ruin the fuse, so you need to take this fuse out. I'm going to show you how to do it and what it is. So if you take this up in here, so you need to have something thin to put it in there and that, so that you can remove it. And then the one that is for the radio is the second one. Okay, the second one. So it need to be removed first. Okay, it needs to be removed before you do anything, and then once you finish, you put it back in. Okay, make sure you put this back correctly. Sorry, I go back now. All right. So now let's go to the wiring of something like touch screen, like something like that. So it's similar. It's similar. So what you need to know that from it the yellow and the red, you can put them together, so they go with the red from the car, and the ground one is, let me see, the ground one is the black one. The ground one is the black one. And the same, the 4 colors, the 4 white, purple, gray and green with a black line on them. That's the ground of the speaker. And if you take the same colors but without any black line on it, that are the speakers, the front, back, and things like that. So for me, I just put them all together. So that's it. I'm not going to put like the speakers of the front on, but the back not, and things like that. Okay, those two, you don't need them really. That is, the blue one is for the remote control. I'm not going to use it. Anything else? No, that's all what you need to know. Yes, the radio one, you know, it's there. It says like radio and the GPS and things like that. Okay, let's try it now. So for now, I haven't connected the speakers. Just let me turn it on. I hope this would help someone. So the volume, you cannot hear anything now. I did not connect the radio yet, so it will be just like making some noise. Those need to be with what is it? What are they? Yeah, with those. So make sure you connect the right ones with the right ones. Those together with this. I'm right-handed. I'm using right now my left hand, so that's why it's not. And those together with those. It's too loud. Just it's too loud. Okay, I will obviously need to connect the radio as well. I hope this would help someone, and obviously you can put that there. Make sure you use those